Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll show you guys how to recharge the AC system, the air conditioning system on Mercedes W211, which is the E-Class from 2003 to 2009. Of course, there are a few things that we need to cover first. You have to make sure the system is empty, otherwise you might overfill it. Never add too much. Usually you'll be able to find the label with the requirements, okay, and how much Freon you need to put right here. Half of this one is missing, but most important thing, we have the half that we need. So as you can see, it takes 950 grams, you see 0.95 kilogram, plus minus, okay, 0.3. So that's how much it takes, Freon. So usually when you buy a can guys, okay, let me show you. That's a normal can right here. It's about 340 grams, okay. So in our case, 3 cans will be too much because it will be 1020. So you need about 2 cans and 2/3. But you'll be able to notice the AC getting colder even after 1 can. Okay, if it doesn't work, then you have a problem somewhere in the system. Now, when you use the very affordable, okay, recharging system like that they sell at the parts store, you're going to locate the low pressure side, okay, which is the small cap right there. This is high pressure, just never mess with that one. Okay, so we're going to connect it now. Okay, always wear eye protection guys, because gloves, eye protection, because it can spray in your eyes. Okay, we got it in, sometimes they're a little bit hard to get in, so stay with us to see what else you need to do next. So let me show you how hot it's outside in the sun. Okay, this is the thermometer, 130 in sunshine. It's extremely hot right now. In the shade it's about 105 today. That's just nuts. Okay, so we're going to put this one on the vent and see how cool it will get. Okay, so what we will need to do, okay, this is just for fun to see. Okay, we will need to start the car now. You will need to have the fan on. Okay, we're gonna turn the fan on. And make sure that your AC button is on. In our case, you can only turn it off, so it's on. Okay, and now we're gonna start adding Freon. It's gonna take 2.5 cans. Okay, so we'll set it at over 90 degrees plus. And we just keep adding, okay, squishing the thing and adding. Okay, so you can see when the AC compressor turns, the pressure will change. Okay, and we need to empty, okay, that can. And when you're done, when you empty it, you're going to disconnect it. We usually recommend turning the engine off, okay, when you change cans. So then you can go to the second can and third can, okay, and we'll see. Okay, we'll add one more. Okay, let's add one more and see how it feels after 2 cans. So I'll turn it off. Okay, we have the second can installed. Okay, it's installed there. So now I'll start the car again and the AC compressor. And what's important guys, never hold it upside down. If you hold it upside down, it's gonna take too much Freon and you might damage something. Always hold it like that, straight up. It's gonna take it slower, but that's how it should be done. The AC fan kicked in, that's a good sign. Okay, and it's taking the second can now. It'll take probably about 3 to 5 minutes to take the second can. And it started getting cooler in the car already. Okay, right now it's at 60. 2 cans and it's blowing at 60 guys. And you can see in the shop, in the shade right now, it's 99 degrees, 99. Okay, and this one here, okay, let's focus a little bit. It's dropping at 50 now. So you can see it definitely blows good after 2 cans. We'll add about half a can from the third one, and eventually it will drop close to 40 degrees. Depending, of course, how hot it is outside, but okay, ours probably will stay close to 50 now because it's really hot, guys. So that's how you recharge the system on a Mercedes E-Class. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and help us grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.